Sir, after the election of Babush Monserrate, I think again...
No, that was the biggest blunder in the Congress party. It is a blunder, then no doubt. Because see, still I remember, 2 years before itself I have told also, I myself have given a statement. We will never admit Babush in the Congress party hereafter. That was, I myself have given a statement, but no, party is there. So some individual here and there, somebody is, because of the greediness, somebody is believing. Doesn't mean that the party, we are never compromise in that. So definitely it will affect the thing.
That will be challenged.
Yeah, it will be challenged. We will go to the court. First we have to give the letter to the speaker also. As per, we will give a letter to the speaker and after that we will go to the court.
Basically you will move for disqualification.
Yeah, we will move for the disqualification.
Because there is no split in the...
There is no split. Congress party is a wider this thing. How can they, some 10 people, individuals, how can they say that it is a split and a merger?
आमदार फुटीचो काँग्रेसीचेर कांयच परिणाम जावचो ना. नेहरू गांधी घराणे आसा मेरेन खंय काँग्रेसीक बाधा ना.
And also, moreover, Nehru Gandhi family. You can give a more credit more to this thing to Nehru Gandhi family. As long as that family is there, no one can touch it. That is the reason Narendra Modi and RSS Amit Shah combination. From the day one, they were only trying to eliminate the Nehru Gandhi family.
दिगंबर कामतीन सगळे देवार सोडला.
But now this is the way things are moving. Then I think even the anti-defection law will have to be now redefined. That if something is written in my head, nobody can take it. But if it is not there in my head, however I may try, I will not get it.
I am a strong believer in God. I always say, we think of something, God has something else. So nobody knows what is in God's mind.
फोणेचो आमदार रवी नायकाक कॉन्टॅक्ट केलो. तो उलोवपाक तयार ना. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.